welcome back to Gapey's Garden. It's tomato planting time, and I got the larger sized tomatoes planted last night, and I'm getting ready to do the cherry tomatoes in this bed. And I'm using the Texas tomato cages. They're a really sturdy cage, and you can add on to them and make them as tall as you'd like. And they also fold up, so I have some here that are folded up. I've got 18 of these, so I can grow 18 tomatoes using those, and I'll show you how I do my tomatoes. I like to use weed cloth under the tomatoes because it obviously reduces the need to weed, but it also helps reduce soil splashing onto the tomatoes, which could cause some diseases. So I've had a lot better luck with blight on the tomatoes since I started doing the weed cloth. And I use a torch to burn holes in the middle for the tomatoes to go. Now let's go take a look at what I put in the planting hole along with the tomatoes. Here's our tomato. This is a sun gold tomato in our root maker pot. So they're a little bit hard to get out of here. Takes a little bit of pulling. There we go. And the roots are not root bound. They're not coiled up. So I do like these root maker pots for that reason. So you don't really need to break the roots up. You could just pop it right in. And I'm going to cut off this bottom branch. We want to plant it pretty deep, and roots will grow up along the stem that's underground. And then just backfill it in. Got our label. The last step is to water it in really good. Try not to splash too much soil up on the leaves. That's all there is to it. All of the cherry tomatoes are in, and we have 8 different varieties. We've got the sun gold, blue gold berries, blush cherry, green grape, and on the other side we have some summer squash here, a zucchini, cocozelle, and round. And then on this side we have Amy's sugar gem, Brad's atomic grape, indigo cherry drop, which is my favorite, and Barry's crazy cherry. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you again soon.